Napakaangas ng buwan ng August para sa akin. I've been trying to make something new like jogging. It's 6:45 a.m. Anong oras na po?
6:20.
Thank you. You are no longer watching a motovlogger anymore. I'm gonna start running. Nasa Pasigli na tayo. Going to Pedro Hill. Nasa Onyx na tayo. This is the end of day 1. Good morning ulit. See you tomorrow. Okay, ngayon parang medyo easy na yung takbo. Medyo magaan na. Lapit na tayo sa Pedro Hill. Onyx. Big truck! Tay, good morning. Ano pong oras na po? 6:15. Thank you po. Hi. We're almost hit by a car. So, see you ulit bukas. Chill lang pare. Nasa loob na yung mga bata. Let's go boys. We're doing fine. Uy, look at this. Onyx. Paps, pwede magtanong ano oras na?
6:17.
6:17. Thank you, Paps, ha? Alright, as always, good morning. And this is the end of day 3. See you tomorrow. Time to run, boys. Alright, boys, Pasig line. Hey. Nasa Onyx na tayo. Kaso yung problem dun sa may bakery, sinarangan ng tarpaulin yung street sign, so tayo sa kabila. This is the end of day 4. Nakalimutan ko magtanong ng oras. So, see you tomorrow. Let's go boys. Day 5. Habang tumatagal, nagiging easy na yung pagtakbo. Bawal to dapat eh. Good morning po. Anong oras na po?
6:40.
Thank you. We made it again. As always, see you tomorrow. I'm already running. Ready na ba kayo makita ako? Hey, good morning. That's a chicken. Pasig line. Let's go. Pwede mo magtanong ano?
Ano, 7, magkala 7 na 15 minutes. 45.
6:45. This is the 6th day. As always, see you when I see you, or see you tomorrow. Años. Pero tsaka na. I'm trying to create a character eh. So, hey, syempre joke lang. Nagpagupit na tayo. But anyways, today is supposed to be day 7 ng jogging. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko kinaya ng pang 7. Then, may nakapark kasi sa rampa. Wow! Ah! Ah! Walang plaka, walang helmet, walang lisensya. Huwag sanang ma-online checkpoint. Pagpapakama. Nakapag-motovlog din naman ako pero sobrang konti lang kasi bumabagyo talaga, di ba? Do you like that cinematic? Sige lang po. MJ po. Papaalam yan. Alis na ako. Apo, sige, double time tayo. 9 a.m. ang pasok. Sige, estimated time natin sa mapa is 20 pero sige. Alright, nagmamadali si madam. Watch this. And actually, nag-ayos ako ng office para maging friendly na siya sa baby. Like, may naisip ako, itong damitan is gagawin kong workspace, entertainment. Actually, kasi wala na akong planong mag-livestream.
Tinawa mo.
That was last week. Straight 5 days. Puro gaming. Shoutout pala kay Mama San and Unraptured TV who commented dun sa last video natin ng hashtag Alamat Compilation. Ngayon, kung gusto mong ma-shoutout sa next video, comment nyo lang is hashtag Alamat. I don't know. Alam mo, gago yun.